Star Plus's show Anupama is a serial about a working class Gujarati housewife who comes into her own, is breaking all the records with the TRPs that Indian fictional content on television stopped dreaming about ever since tales of ladies dressed in expensive saris and jewelry cooking up lethal dishes in their ballroom sized kitchen took over the home medium. Rupali laughed when she was called the TV Queen. She said, "It's a journey back to the reality for the Indian soap. No doubt Anupama has changed my life. I am still reeling under the impact. Where is there time to feel like a queen? Every day we are rushing against time to complete episodes, which during these COVID times is not an easy task." Rupali and the large Anupama team are following all the COVID guidelines. But the actress said, "We spend so much time together that we forget about COVID once we are on the set every morning. I spend more time with the cast and crew of Anupama than I do with my own family." Rupali, who is the daughter of the late and great filmmaker Anil Ganguly, says she was initially apprehensive about shooting during COVID-19 pandemic. "I have a 7-year-old son and an old mother-in-law at home." With the producer Rajan Shahi, to whom, along with director Romesh Kalra, I give all the credit for the success of Anupama, insisted on having me on board. Rajan Shahi and Rupali had worked together many years ago. The actress said, "I was a part of Rajan sir's serial Dil Hai Ke Manta Nahi in the year 1999. I was very young, very impulsive. During those days, I preferred taking a holiday rather than shooting to meet deadlines. So when Anupama came to me, Rajan sir kept asking me, 'तुम वैसी तो अब नहीं हो ना?' I told him, 'I am still the same, though far more disciplined and focused on my work.' Shooting Anupama throughout the day gives Rupali no time to enjoy its success. The actress says, 'How do I know how much it's being appreciated when I don't even have time for my husband and son? Soon they won't recognize me.' But I am not complaining. The success of Anupama was expected. The director Romesh spares no efforts to make every episode authentic and appealing. My character speaks, dresses and behaves like an ordinary housewife. Even the saris that you see me wearing are all cotton. These details from the working class have been appreciated by the audience. They had not seen a serial about their own life for a long time. While her screen husband is a bit of an insensitive cad, Rupali's real-life husband Ashwin Verma is the epitome of spousal support. Rupali says emotionally, "If it wasn't for Ashwin, I wouldn't be shooting for this serial. It was he who urged me to go out and do Anupama while he set aside his own work to look after our son and our home. I consider myself blessed in every way." So what are your thoughts on this? Do tell us in the comments below. Also, stay tuned to Telechakkar for all the latest updates.
Know all about the Tele world by subscribing to Telechakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.